Hey kiddos! Welcome to another fun-filled episode of Sing, Spell, and Learn. Are you ready to have a blast today? Do you love singing and learning new words? Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to combine both and have an amazing time. Well, you're in the right place. We're going to sing, spell, and learn together. It's going to be so much fun. Today we're going to have so much fun with catchy songs that help you spell. These songs are not only fun to sing, but also help you remember how to spell different words. ABC. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's start with the basics and build our way up to more challenging words. Alright, let's start with a super fun song. Sing along with me. Remember, the more you sing, the better you'll get at spelling. C-A-T, cat, cat, cat. Can you feel the rhythm? It's so catchy, isn't it? Can you spell it with me? C-A-T, that's a cat. Great job. You're doing fantastic. Now let's try another one. Are you ready? This one is just as fun. D-O-G, dog, dog, dog. Spell it with me. D-O-G, that's a dog. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're having fun. Your support means the world to us. And make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can join us for more fun learning adventures, so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. We have so many exciting things planned just for you. Now let's spell something a little trickier. How about F-R-O-G? This one is a bit longer, but I know you can do it. F-R-O-G. Frog, frog, frog. Can you spell it? F-R-O-G, that's a frog. Yay! You're all spelling superstars. But wait, there's more. Let's spell a really long word. Ready? This one is a bit of a challenge, but I know you're up for it. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Wow, that was a big one. Can you spell it with me? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. That's an elephant? Fantastic! Wow, that was a big one. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. That's an elephant. Fantastic! You all did such an amazing job. Remember, kids, you can sing these songs anytime to help you spell. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends so they can join in the fun too. Learning is always better with friends, so they can join in the fun too. The more, the merrier. Make sure to ring the bell icon so you're the first to know when we have a new video. You don't want to miss out on any of the fun, so you're the first to know when we have a new video. We have so many exciting things coming up. All right, my little spelling bees, let's end with one more song. Ready? This one is a bright and sunny word. Let's end with one more song. Ready? S-U-N, sun, sun, sun. Spell it with me. S-U-N, that's the sun. Great job, everyone. S-U-N, sun, sun, sun. Spell it with me. S-U-N, that's the sun. Great job, everyone. You all did fantastic. Keep singing, keep spelling, and keep smiling. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing an amazing job. See you in our next video. Bye! Keep up the great work and keep having fun.